Are you struggling to lose weight? Feeling overwhelmed by the idea of changing your diet? We get it, the journey to weight loss can often feel like an uphill battle, filled with confusing food choices and tempting quick fixes. But remember, the key to successful weight loss lies in a balanced diet, not in overnight miracles. Change is challenging, but it's also absolutely possible, so buckle up. In this video, you will learn simple, effective ways to change your diet and start your weight loss journey. Diet change doesn't have to be drastic or sudden. Let's think about it. When you're learning to swim, you don't just jump into the deep end. You start in the shallow end and gradually move deeper as your skills improve. The same principle applies to changing your diet. The key to sustainable weight loss is making small, gradual changes to your diet. Instead of overhauling your entire eating plan overnight, consider starting with simple swaps. Maybe substitute that daily soda for a glass of water, or switch out your afternoon snack of chips for a handful of nuts. Small steps like these are easier to maintain and less likely to lead to rebound weight gain. Over time, these minor adjustments can lead to major results. This approach also allows your body and mind to adjust to a new way of eating, making the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it's not about a temporary diet, but a lifestyle change. What should you add to your diet to aid weight loss? Now, that's a question worth pondering on. The key to successful weight loss isn't just about cutting out foods, but also about incorporating nutrient-rich foods that can aid in your journey. Let's start with lean proteins. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, fish, and plant-based proteins such as lentils and chickpeas are your allies in this battle. Protein is essential for repairing and building muscles, especially after a workout, but it also plays a role in weight loss. Your body uses more energy to digest protein, which means you burn more calories in the process. Plus, it keeps you feeling full, curbing those pesky hunger pangs. Next, we have whole grains. Foods such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are packed with fiber. This fiber not only keeps your digestive system healthy, but also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sudden hunger spikes. And just like protein, fiber keeps you satiated, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Fruits and vegetables are another must-add to your diet. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and filled with essential vitamins and minerals. The beauty of fruits and vegetables is their versatility. You can have them raw, steamed, in a salad, or even in a smoothie. Now, let's talk about fiber and protein's role in keeping you full and satisfied. Both of these nutrients slow down digestion, which means your stomach stays full for longer. This reduces your urge to snack between meals, a common pitfall for many trying to lose weight. Moreover, both fiber and protein help to regulate your blood sugar levels, preventing those sudden energy crashes that can lead to overeating. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet isn't just about weight loss. It's about creating a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. So start experimenting. Add some grilled chicken to your salad, switch out white rice for brown, snack on some fruit instead of reaching for a bag of chips. Make these small changes and before you know it, you'll start to see a difference. Incorporate these foods into your meals and you'll start to see the difference. What should you remove from your diet for effective weight loss? Let's jump right in and start with foods high in sugar. Picture this: a donut, a can of soda, a handful of candy. These sugary treats are not only addictive, but also packed with what we call empty calories. These calories provide no nutritional value, but they do contribute to weight gain. It's not just about your waistline, though. Consuming high amounts of sugar can lead to a myriad of health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. Next up, foods high in unhealthy fats. You've probably heard of trans fats and saturated fats. These are the villains in our diet. They're found in many fast foods, baked goods, and processed snacks. These fats increase your bad cholesterol levels, which can lead to heart disease. They also contribute to weight gain, since fat has more than twice the number of calories as protein and carbohydrates. So the next time you're tempted to order that double cheeseburger, think about the impact it could have on your health and weight. Finally, let's talk about foods with empty calories. These are foods that are high in energy but low in nutrients. Think potato chips, cookies, and alcohol. Yes, alcohol. While it might be fun to have a drink or two, alcohol is high in calories and provides no nutritional value. Plus, it can lead to overeating, as it often reduces our inhibitions. So what's the takeaway? Cutting out high-sugar foods, unhealthy fats, and empty-calorie foods can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. It might seem difficult at first, but remember, every little change counts. Instead of that sugary soda, try a glass of water with lemon. Instead of a bag of chips, reach for a handful of nuts. And instead of that double cheeseburger, why not try a lean, grilled chicken breast? Cutting these foods out of your diet can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Your journey to a healthier, happier you starts with the choices you make in your diet. So why not start making healthier choices today? You've got this. Let's recap on what we've learned today. We've uncovered the secret to sustainable weight loss isn't about drastic overnight changes, but gradual modifications to your diet. We've learned that the road to a healthier you is paved with small, manageable steps. It's about introducing nutrient-rich foods into your meals, one ingredient at a time. Foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only provide essential nutrients your body needs, but also keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. On the flip side, we've also discussed the importance of gradually phasing out unhealthy options from your diet. Foods high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and processed ingredients often contribute to weight gain and can lead to other health complications. It's crucial to remember that removing these foods doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about replacing them with healthier alternatives that are just as delicious, but far more beneficial to your health. And remember, this is not about perfection, it's about progress. Each positive change you make in your diet brings you one step closer to your weight loss goals. It's okay to have days where things don't go as planned. What's important is getting back on track and continuing with your healthier choices. Changing your diet can feel overwhelming, but with these small, manageable steps, you're well on your way to a healthier you. Start today and remember, every small change counts.